Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I have this carousel which is from STEM. So let's get unboxing. As you can see, there are many components. This is going to be fun. Over here it says that we're going to build our own carousel and make it moving. And we have these pieces, the mechanical things, and let's get started. So we need to arrange the base. So we need these pieces and these phone-like pieces. And after we're arranging them, we need to move on to the next step. We need to put two more on top of them. And we're done. We need to create a strong wall, Almost done with our wall. And there we go. Now we're gonna glue one piece to the middle of the bottom. And as you can see, I got my ruler and measured it. Here's the glue that came inside the packet. So I'm just gluing it. Now we need an iron shaft and the orange gear. So here we have this iron shaft and the orange gear. Let's just quickly attach it. And we need to put it in the hole of that glue we put it. And now we have to put this thing on top. Time to glue it again. Now we need to glue an extra piece near the yellow gear. This is where the motor will be. And now we need to glue some extra pieces. This is where the battery will be. As you can see, we have this mechanical device. So there's the battery, the alligator clip, and this is the motor. We need to put it through these mini holes. And yeah, we're done, almost. Now we're done. And now we need to put it through the alligator clip. You guys need to open it and put it through the hole. Then you have to tighten it and put it back on. Then you have to attach this white worm to this metal rod. This is for the relation with the gear. So whenever the motor moves, the gear will also be moving. Now we need to stick it with two-sided adhesive tape. So I'm gonna stick it off and put it on the battery first, the motor, and place it near the gear. Then I'm gonna peel it off again, place it on the battery, and there we go. Then we need to make the carousel. So we're gonna attach these horse things. Oh, these are very hard to move. And the tree sticks. Now it's time to attach them. So we're just gonna go ahead and do it. And after we're done with all three, we need to glue them. Make sure that the hole will still be there. Next, we need to put this thing through the shaft. The gear through the yellow shaft. And now, as you can see, this is the last and final step. So we have to put this Trojan horses on top of it, put this circle thing to secure it, and again put the yellow gear. Then afterwards, you need to put the battery. As you can see, it should be an AA battery. And we need to connect this with the small holes. And as you can see, it's functioning. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.